Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The majority of macarons had a ratio of egg whites to sugar that was anywhere between 1:2 and 1:2.5. While the total amount of sugar seemed to be pretty standard, the ratio of granulated to powdered sugar varied quite a bit. 5 November 2017.
Take our lead.
Macarons should be refrigerated for optimal taste and consumed within 3 days. After this period, it is important that you are aware that the macarons will last a maximum of 7 days. Do not leave them in an open container when using a refrigerator. 5 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to Syrup and Tang, a too chewy macaron is the result of overbaking, too long or too hot, which means I might be underbaking my macarons currently at 135 C convection or 150 C convention for 14 minutes. Or it could be just the macaronage mixing method or too little almond meal. The variations are endless. The 13th of January 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In our tried and tested macaron recipe, we dried the macarons out overnight, for approximately 8 to 9 hours before baking. To speed things up, we also found that macarons can be dried out for 20 minutes in a dehydrator on the lowest setting. 13 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can bad macarons make you sick? If they've crumbled, they probably won't make you sick if you consume them within 7 days from the baking date. Their structure is based on egg whites, and if egg whites have baked long enough to hold their shape, the risk of food poisoning from these cookies is very rare. 23 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.